Namaskar dear students, in our last class we solved exercise 32 question number 3 and 4, and today we are going to solve question number 5. Okay, so at first let me write the question. In question number 3 there is a fraction is given 5 by 9. Okay, 5 by 9 is given and we have to find out the equivalent fraction. Just we did in question number 4 and 3. We have to use that formula here also. If let me write number A. Can you see numerator it is 30. Okay, numerator it is 30. So that means if we convert this question, just we did in question number 3, so we can do this one in this way. 5 by 9. So which one is the numerator? Definitely this one is the numerator. We have to find out a fraction which has numerator 30. And if we have 30 here, in downside nothing is there, we have to find out the value of box. So we have to think which formula should be used here. So let us divide. If we divide, then what we will have? Okay, so what we have 6. So just you see, if we multiply by 6, what we will get? 5 6 are 30 and 9 6 are 54. Okay, so then after another question. Number C. Numerator 35. Numerator 35. So this question can be written in this way. 5 by 9 equal to numerator it is 35. So in upside we have to write 35, in downside nothing is there. We have to find out the value of box. So again we have to, what to do? We have to divide this one first. So if we divide 5 7s are 35. Okay, so then after what we have 7. So here we will write 7 and 7. So here you see 5 7s are 35 and 9 7s are 63. Okay, so in this way you have to solve. Next question, it is telling number D. Denominator it is given 81. Okay, so this question can be written 5 by 9 equal to denominator, that means in downside we have 81 already. We have to find out the value of box. So what to do here? We have to divide first. If we divide, then 9 is 81. So as a result we got 9. So we have to multiply by 9. So here you see 9 is 81 already given, 5 is 45. Okay, so in this way you have to solve. So number 5, number 6, these are same. If you have solved number 3 and 4 nicely, then these will be very easy for you. And those who did not solve yet are advised to solve first before watching the whole class. Now number 7. Number 7 you see there is a question, change each of the following fractions into an equivalent fractions with denominator 24. That means always we have to get 24. Okay, always we have to get 24 for each fraction. So if we write number A, just you see 2 by 3. Okay, for 2 by 3 you see denominator, that means in downside always it should be 24. So what to do? We can write 2 by 3 same, just we did in our previous question. So in downside it should be 24, in upside what should be there? So let us solve again. If you divide 24 by 3, then 3 8s are 24. So what we have 8. So we have to multiply by 8. 8. So you see 3 8s are 24 and 8 2s are 16. Okay. So in this way you have to solve all the questions. Oh. Number 8 also in same way you have to solve. Number 7, number 8. Number 8 is telling numerator should be 18 always. Number 8 it is telling numerator should be 18 always. Numerator. That means in upside it should be 18. So the first question can be written in this way. You see 2 by 5 equal to in upside we have to write 18. Then after we have to find out the box. I will not show you how to solve because in previous question I have already solved this kind of question. So you have to watch that. So number 8 has been completed. Let us go for next question, that is 9. This is something difficult. Okay, number 9 is something difficult. So here you see we have to find out, two fractions are given and we have to find out that which one is no, not bigger, not smaller, whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. So let me write the first question. 6 by 10 we have, and then after 9 by 15. 9 by 15. So what to do? Just you see 6 by 10 we have to, and once I told you that we can divide a fraction by same number, we can multiply a fraction by same number. So here you see 6 and 10. You have to think a number that can divide both the number together. At the same time we can divide, if we can divide both the number with the number, that means we can reduce them. So just you think both the number can be divided by 2. So if we write 2 and 2, then what we will have? If we divide 6 by 2, then 3, and if we divide 10 by 2, then we will get 5. Okay, so after getting this fraction, if you think and if you try to find out more number that can divide both the number at a time, you will never find out. Okay, 3 and 5 cannot be divided by a number in same time. So here for this fraction we have 3 by 5, and for this fraction let me write 9 by 15, and we have to think that which number can divide both the number. So just like the previous one, if you think or if you take the number 3, then what we can do? So just you think in your mind, if you divide 9 by 3, what we will get? 3 3s are 9, so our answer is 3. And if you divide this one by 3, then 5. Now you see this fraction, the reduced form of this fraction and the reduced form of this fraction are same. That means we can write for this question that yes, these are equivalent. And if we get a different fraction after reducing, that time we will say no, these are not equivalent. Okay, this much was all about exercise 32. Okay, so namaskar, you have to solve all the questions, and as I have already told you that in the month of December, in the beginning of December, you will have your second terminal examination.